We begin tonight with news of a viral resurgence.
Even as COVID-19 trends improve, other respiratory illnesses are on the rise. Newswatch 16's Marshall Keeley spoke to two doctors to find out why.
While doctors hope the coronavirus pandemic is winding down, non-COVID respiratory viruses such as the flu and rhinovirus have been making a comeback. Dr. Jennifer Janko, chair of pediatrics at St. Luke's, says many of those cases are happening in children.
I think most parents and their children are going to be living their lives. People are going to be going to their jobs or places of worship or their schools or their sporting activities. And so there is going to be opportunity for these types of viruses to circulate.
We changed, the host changed. That's why the virus got the opportunity to attack us, infect us, and cause a different trend.
An infectious disease expert at Geisinger, Dr. Pragya Dabadel, says what we did to limit the spread of COVID-19 kept common seasonal illnesses away too.
There was very low exposure of any kind of viruses to these children. And they did not have much immunity compared to those children who were there, before the pandemic. Our society is opening up, general public is opening up, and now the viruses have new hosts to multiply and spread.
Unlike in previous years, this flu season has extended into summer.
At this time, the influenza was usually gone in last 5 seasons, but here we are seeing the trend slowly coming down.
Influenza, there are some things we can do for some children to prevent it through vaccination, but something like rhinovirus or some of the other viruses that we're seeing for which there really isn't a vaccine, yes, children are going to get sick with that. So you prevent what you can and you treat what you can't.
Doctors say many people, including parents, have become more mindful of their health during the pandemic.
I think a lot of us came to work when we were sick and we sent our kids places when they were sick. And I think it may be parents could just pause for a little second now and sort of ask and wonder, if my child's sick, maybe I shouldn't be sending them to school.
Dr. Janko says the basics still work. Washing hands and covering coughs can prevent the spread of any illness, COVID or not. Marshall Keeley, Newswatch 16.